Which bidding strategy is best for lead generation? No, there's no such thing as a best strategy. The best strategy is to have a great offer and a funnel which converts, right? And traffic is traffic. Bidding strategy is it's either target ROAS or target CPA. It's one or the other, or manual CPC. So it's not about the bidding strategy. You can test all three and see which converts the best or gets you the best results. Other than that, I don't see there's any difference. You shouldn't be worrying about bidding strategies. You should be focusing on conversion rate optimization, how to increase your conversions. We had a funnel started at 8% conversion, was very low. Then we tweaked it. We took it to 12%. Then still not good. Tweaked it a bit more. Now it's going to about 20, 22%. So it's going up. But I wasn't worried about, which bidding strategy I should use to increase my conversion rate. Bidding strategies won't do that. It's the offer and the copy on the landing page, the images, the video, and so on.